Where are we, Farmer Chris?
Mount Pleasant. We're passing through Mount Pleasant.
What you got there, Farmer Chris?
I'm not sure. It's a croissant with ham and cheese. Puffed and squashed and toasted.
Good morning, Sticky Beakers. So we're starting off today in Angaston. We had a great night at the Brauhaus Hotel and we've just had breakfast in the bakery opposite. So we're just going to head up to the sculpture park, see if we can get some drone footage. What a cute little town this is. Really pleasant. Didn't get much of a look around. Perhaps we need to come back. Now heading out on the B10 towards Mount Pleasant. And I've got the foresight on dark. And at the moment, when the sun is not that strong, it's actually quite readable. So that's the hospital. 24-hour ambulance entrance, emergency department. That's good to know. It's going to be a hot day today. 25 I think it's forecast to get up to. And it's quite windy. So I'm hoping that I can get the drone up. Technology is becoming the bane of my life. So GoPro is supposed to have bought out foresight, and I was hoping for, you know, a more up-to-date 4K camera with a bit of a built-in gimbal, because the helmet cam does tend to rock around a bit. However, I've got no faith in GoPro anymore, none at all. It's just a substandard product, I think. And I'm having trouble with the gain dial on the H1N microphone in my pocket. I think just the general movement in my pocket is causing it to move, which means I may have to do sort of a voiceover, some description. It's pretty windy up here, so we'll try and put the drone up. But it is windy, so the range in the tank says 145. The Odo is now reading 7157, and we've done 180 kilometers since the last fill, so I think we need some fuel. Some sensational views. Mengele Hill, what an unfortunate name. Wow, it's windy. I got a little bit of footage with the drone, but not a lot. Anyway, better than nothing. Mount Pleasant, here we come, hopefully. I like this dark screen on the foresight. At least I can see a distinguishing line, you know, the blue line and the black background. I've turned off-road, so here's hoping that it's actually going to not take us down the middle of nowhere. Yep, very windy today, but on the plus side, it's gonna be warm. Get that closed so you can actually hear what I'm saying. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get a bit of sticky tape on the gain dial, because just over a period of time it's become very loose and it keeps turning it up, and the sound is just garbage with the dial up. Anyway, here's some music. Technology is just driving me up the wall. It really is. You think you've got something sorted and then it just blows itself up. This is the first day really where I've had problems with the Foresight helmet. They've updated the app and it's been working okay, although I can't get rid of the tutorial screen. It comes up every time I turn the app on. I don't use the controller anymore because it just blew up. It just doesn't work. And then it just suddenly decided it wanted to do an app upgrade. Oh, I don't know. It's all very bizarre. The cute little town. Eden Valley. That's perhaps been a mill at some point. Wine producers, I'm not sure. Could be open. Few houses. Hotel back there. Post office. Trees have had a lot of a trim. Sweet.
Where are we, Farmer Chris?
Mount Pleasant. We're passing through Mount Pleasant, coming away from Angaston, and now we have stopped for a bit of refreshment, and we'll probably go in and have a look at the motorbike shop, which is called Spot On.
Robber's Dog Distillery. Fortunately, it's always closed. We're right on the margins for fuel. When that last bar starts flashing, there's about 25 to 30 kilometers left in the tank. We're currently on almost 265. I always did estimate it to be around 300 kilometers maximum. It's only a 12-litre tank. The range is pretty good. What number is it? So Sticky Beakers, if you've enjoyed this ride, give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Love you long time.